In this video, we will be learning rules of exponents through division. In the last video yesterday, we did from multiplication. So from this video, we will do division. First, we have 2 to the power of 16 over 2 to the power of 11. So how do we do it? First, we write the base just like this. 2 is the base, and we subtract 16 minus 11. Numerator is bigger, so subtracting the 11 denominator, we get 2 to the power of 5, and that is the quotient rule. So number 2 is also similar. We write the base first, and then we simply write 5 minus 3. We get x to the power of 2, or x square. And third one is y, 16 minus 7, so we get y to the power of 9. So the last three are different, where you can see the denominator is actually bigger. So in this case, we again write the base first, but because denominator is bigger, the 20 power is bigger than 17, so we write like this: 1 over 12, and then we subtract 20 minus 17, we get 1 over 12 cube, and that is the answer for this one. Same thing for this one, b to the power of 7 over b to the power 9. We write the base first, 1 over b, and then we write 9 minus 7, and we get b square, 1 over b square. And the last one is also like this one, 1 over x, 24 minus 20, and we get 1 over x to the power of 4. So this is how we solve rules of exponents through division. Yesterday's video we did multiplication. This video we have division, and in the next video in the evening I will be making both multiplication and division, but will have more complex examples. So if you want to see that video, don't forget to subscribe. Any feedback, suggestion, or future topics that you would like to see, comment down below and I will try to improve myself. Thank you, bye bye, and subscribe.